Today I'm going to be making this quick and easy side dish of garlicky green beans with Parmesan. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. These garlicky green beans with Parmesan make a great side dish for a roast dinner, and they can be ready in 10 minutes. Place 450 grams or 16 ounces of fresh green beans in a large pan of boiling water and boil them for 3 minutes. This partially cooks the green beans while retaining their vibrant colour. After 3 minutes, we want to take the green beans off the heat and strain them in a colander. Heat half a tablespoon of olive oil and half a tablespoon of unsalted butter in a large frying pan or skillet over a medium to high heat until the butter starts to foam. Then add the green beans, 2 cloves of minced garlic and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Cook the green beans, stirring often, for 3 to 4 minutes until just tender. Drizzle over a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and transfer to a serving dish, then sprinkle with 30 grams or a third of a cup of grated Parmesan before serving. There you go, a simple side dish and a great way to give green beans a lift. Perfect to serve with your roast dinner.